Alright, this is my brand new DC power supply, which is AC to DC switch mode power supply. The output is 60 volt DC and 6.7 ampere. Let's have a look. The power supply, it looks like this, and there's a lot of connections for inputs and outputs, and it has a fan, and these connections are here like this. You can see there is a like input main AC, neutral, load and ground, and for DC output P minus and P plus. And I'm gonna connect the main AC line to the in between here, load, neutral and ground, and I will take the output from the DC B minus and P plus. And we have to connect properly, otherwise this power supply will be damaged. So need to find out the appropriate wire inside the cable. So this is the load, this is ground, and this is neutral from the cable. So I identify inside the cable which wire is indicating load, which wire is for neutral, and which wire is for ground. So for this I'm gonna using continuity test from the multimeter. Just now cutting the cable and taking out the wires from inside the cables. So I just try to find out from here in the plug. I don't see anything written there, load, neutral and ground. So I have to apply another method to find out the appropriate wire. I set the multimeter for continuity test, and I will check the continuity of the wire from inside the load hole, and which color wire is for load, and which color wire is for neutral, and which color wire is for ground. So I found for the load, the red wood color is for the load. So I just marking this is for load, and from there the same way I'm just identifying the ground and the neutral. So load, neutral and ground. So now I connect these three wires into the power supply, where we already seen where it has to go. So I connect the input AC to the opening the bolts inside, and I tighten up the bolts properly, otherwise if some loose connection it will make some spark. So after normally put inside, now I'm gonna tighten this bolt, the connections of the wires very properly with the screwdriver, star screwdriver, very tightly. So now I'm checking the continuity from the plug to the power supply, and check this is alright or not. This is ground, and see the continuity. This is for ground, and this is for and then next to the ground, and this will be for neutral, and the neutral is like sky color wire, and the other redwood color wire is for load. So now if I check the load, this is the load. So I have connected appropriately to the power supply. So now I'm gonna plug this into the main AC, and then you can see the LED gonna light up. Yeah, so the LED, as soon as the power is plugged in, the LED comes up. So now I'm checking the output voltage from the power supply. I can see there is 60 volts exactly. That's it. Thanks for watching.